Kentucky lawmakers just as horrified as the rest of us over what we watched happen in Washington. But tonight, they're working on new laws that will impact Kentucky. Thank you very much for staying with us here at 5:30. I'm Doug Proffitt. Right now, the debate is on. Up to 10 bills that will impact your lives are flying right through the Kentucky Capitol. WHS 11's political editor Chris Williams is on your side in Frankfort. He's been keeping a close eye on how this moment will impact you. Chris?
Doug, just over my shoulder up there, the Senate is behind closed doors right now. They're debating their last bill of the day. This will be 4 if they pass this. We're going to get to that in just a second. But first, Republicans are pushing through their priorities that they insist the voters in November insisted that they come here and tackle. And Democrats, to take an old line from ESPN SportsCenter, they can't stop them. They can only hope to contain them.
House Bill 1 is passed.
3 days in.
House Bill 2 is passed.
And just like that.
House Bill 3 is passed.
And the priority dominoes are halfway to getting to Governor Andy Beshear's desk. It's not been entirely without debate.
So I support this because it brings a safe versus unsafe, data-driven approach.
And yet House Bill 2 is designed to force them to carry a fetus. This is about power, domination, and control over our bodies.
But the new super-duper Republican supermajorities are making it look quick and easy. House Bill 1 is described as a reopen the Commonwealth plan, allows businesses reopen if they follow CDC guidelines and post the info, prevents the state from denying court-ordered visits by non-custodial parents, and allows designated visitors to visit long-term care facility patients. HB 2 calls on the Attorney General to take on abortion fights, including cases involving transfer agreements, late-term abortions, informed consent, parental consent, and ultrasound requirements. HB 3 creates a panel of 3 judges chosen at random by the Supreme Court of Kentucky Chief Justice to handle lawsuits filed against the state government. HB 4 allows the General Assembly to bank session days and use them beyond the now constitutionally mandated end date. And House Bill 5 removes a governor's ability to reorganize or repeal boards without General Assembly consent.
House Bill 5 has passed.
There's an old Sports Center line that they used to use. You can't stop them, you can only hope to contain them. Are you in that mode right now?
I think we are. I think we are, you know. I mean, we all can count. We know that we are in a super minority here, but certainly it is our responsibilities as elected officials to make sure that the public knows what's going on here, that the public has their questions answered as well.
And just beyond those state troopers are the closed doors of the Senate, where right now all of those bills that they're working on as we speak. The bills that pass the House are going to come down here tomorrow. The Senate is passing their priorities. They've passed Senate Bill 3, which moves the Kentucky Ag Development Board under the Department of Agriculture. Senate Bill 2, which impacts emergency regulations. Senate Bill 9, that's the so-called Born Alive abortion bill. And right now they're debating Senate Bill 1, their highest priority plan. It would limit executive emergency orders. It would create liability protections for businesses that operated during the pandemic as well. And when they finish those up, when the fourth one passes, because we all expect it's going to pass, they're going to send it across the building then to the House, where they will start their hearings tomorrow. And all of those bills could be on the governor's desk by late Saturday night, because late this afternoon, Speaker David Osborne said you can expect that they'll have a session day on Saturday to finalize all these priorities. Live at the Capitol, Chris Williams, WHAS 11 News.
Thank you, Chris.